all doing again? It's Nigel with PV10 Building Contractor. Okay, right now I'm doing a prep because we're going to be installing some drywall tomorrow. So I'm prepping from today, this evening. As a matter of fact, it's about 5 o'clock now. I'm prepping the stuff that I'm going to be needing to do the drywall because we just finished the framing. So now we're on to the drywall stage, and these are some of the basic tools that you need to do sheetrock hanging. Okay, first, this is the drill tip that we'll be using. What this drill tip does, it allows you to gauge the screw so you don't tear the paper. And I mean tear the paper when you're fastening the screw into the paper. Per the code, you must not tear the paper. If you tear the paper, put another one beside it. Okay. So these come in very handy. You don't have to buy the pack of 4, but because I have guys coming, they always bring their tools anyhow. But you know, I always prepare so that no excuses. These are some Rotazit bits. What these do, we use these to cut holes in the drywall when you're moving very fast, very quickly. Now, this is the new Rotazit. This is battery operated, cordless. Typical the other Rotazit, it use you have to plug it in. So now we don't have no time for that. See? Okay. And you need your drill, but of course I carry 2 of these just in case the guys, you know, don't bring theirs, because sometimes they come with all these bunch of excuses. So I bring mine. This, you use this to shave down. In Jamaica we would use this when we're doing putty work on cars. When we're working on cars, we use this to shave off the extra putty or body fill, but it's good for drywall also. The laser, what I use the laser for is sometimes they wanna, you know, in order when you put the lines for your screws, sometimes to go fast, you just point a laser and it marks the line and give you a straight line up, and you just put screws in. On wall, remember, maximum 12 inches space. Can go 8. I normally go 8, 10, but 12 on walls, and 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the drywall. So the next thing now, these drywall, if you realize, they're for mold, but they are not only for mold. They are mold and fire resistant at the same time. So they serve 2 purposes, mold and fire. If you realize, you see it right here, mentioned fire. You see, for both mold and fire. So in doing that, these commercial buildings that we work in, you don't put any material, any combustible material that carries a flame spread index inside these, especially the drywalls. They don't allow it. So to be safe, the green board, we don't purchase green board from Home Depot or Lowe's. They have half inch, they don't carry the 5/8. So all steel and gypsum carry those. Now, of course, back to the real deal. You need yourself knives, okay? You need a tape measure. You need a drill. You need a hammer, okay? And work with your gloves. And of course, you need blades. All right, and a pencil. And these are pretty much the tools that needs to do the drywall work. People would say, why so much tool? All I think you need is a drill and a knife, and you're good to go. Well, yes, drill knife and tape measure, and you're good to go. When you're doing just probably a little something to help yourself around the house. But when you're installing this much, this is 20 right here, and I dropped off 37 earlier on today. When you're installing that much and you want to go fast, it's no time to play around. So all these tools, I put them in my toolbox. You know, I'm gonna pack it up, pack them in. But all these tools will help me tomorrow to have a very productive day. Because that's the aim, to have a productive day. These things here, we use these when we are doing, like say I'm making a border partition with some visqueen, some plastic. I can lengthen it out. Sometimes I use it to help hold up the sheetrock if I'm in an area where I'm working by myself. Now this is a T-square. You can see that's a T-square, and this T-square in Jamaica we would make our own T-square, but this is different. This one is for drywall. Okay, so guys, as I say again, these are the tools that we'll be using tomorrow to have a productive day. We have the screws here already, so now I'm going to go in, have a shower, relax myself, do some paperwork, and prepare for tomorrow. So I see you tomorrow on the project, and I'll show you some hint. And guys, remember, any little question you have, don't be afraid to post them up. I will answer them. I will help you out, show you guys how to do drywall installation. So have a good day, and I see you all tomorrow on the project site. Bye.